Enjoy the view of this 2023 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, premium sound system. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.